Hello YouTube, back again with another tutorial. I'm doing quite a lot recently, it's good. I'm not focusing on just Black Veil Brides, but this is another Black Veil Bride song, I'm sorry. But I believe that their songs will help you to become a better guitarist, because they obviously do both rhythm, lead, and both parts are quite complex, but yet relatively easy to get the hang of. So, this one's off their new album, but it's not on the new album. They made it when recording the new album, but it isn't. It's Sons of Night. Probably one of the best new ones, actually. It's my favourite. There is a lead part opening, kind of like in the end sort of thing, but I don't know it, so I'm just going to be teaching the rhythm for the intro, and the rest it will be all lead and rhythm, apart from the chorus. So, the tuning is drop C sharp. There's been a lot of speculation that it's in drop C when it isn't. It's in C sharp. Drop C sharp. There's Jet Pitts mentioned it or something. But yeah, so that's D sharp, A sharp, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and C sharp, or E flat with your top string tuned down to C sharp. So, yeah, like I said, it starts off with the lead part. I'm just going to go ahead and teach the chorus first. Actually, I've just thought, it's because the chorus, Jinx plays the chorus as the intro kind of thing. So it's just borrowing the first fret, 2 top strings, then moving to a B minor power chord, which is just your first finger on the 2nd fret of the A and pinky on the 4th fret of the D. Then borrowing the 4th fret, then just playing a 1-3 power chord. So first finger A on the 1st fret, and pinky finger on the D string of the 3rd fret. So it's then it goes into the riff, and that's the chorus as well. For Jinx's part. So the riff is it's really cool. It's just power chord and bar chords. It's not anything like Rebel Love Song. It's nothing like that. It's really easy. You'll get it in no time. It's just that twice. So yeah, it's all downstrokes. You need to be going quite fast there. You probably get my rhythm off that, but it's just barring on the 1st fret. So you're doing that, hitting 1, then playing 6 times. And then we've got that last power chord of the chord, then open. So let's go off the root note. The root note would help. So it's E, low E first, then open, then 1, open on the A, hopefully this is making sense. So it's just yeah, you're just sliding that power chord up to the 2nd fret. Then doing the same thing, but just going back down. So that was that 2nd fret power chord. That was the 1st fret power chord, then barring the 1st, and sliding up to the 4th bar. Then staying on the 4th, going down to the 3rd, and then just going 3, 4, 3. Hopefully that's making sense. And you play that twice like I just did. Then we've got this cool little lead bit here that's, I'm not going to do Jinx's part for it. This is Jet Pitts. and that's when war begins we rise against. I think when Andy's singing, I don't know the lyrics. So it's on the B string entirely, and it's from the sliding to the 4th, then bending up on the 6th. So it was 4, 6, bend 6, full bend. Well, kind of. That's the note you want. So it's 4, 6, bend 6, 6, 4. Then same again on 6 of the B, bending up the 7th. Then just sliding up to the 9th once you've bent the fret, and then just bending that fret. You're going up, then up again, kind of like that. Then we've got the chorus. I've been through that already. Then we've got this little it's like pre-verse and pre-solo with it and the outro. It's, and it's played that twice, finishing on. Sorry. So that was just hitting that first barred fret 6 times. Then we got on the A string 2, 4, sorry 2, 1 twice. Then we got 4, 3, 1. Sorry, open. Sorry, 4, 3, 1 open. And just getting to that 4th of the top string and just pinch harmonic the 3rd. You play it twice. You'll get to the last bit, you just want to finish on the 1st fret, and you go down here to the 17th fret. So it's on the B string, E string and B string, it's the same 17, 15, 14. You play that twice on the B string, then 16, 14, 13. Then slide back down into. So that's the majority of the song done, with the breakdown. So then we're going to the solo. Quite an easy solo considering it's Black Veil Brides, really. There are easier. Kind of like Lost It All's kind of easy. But yeah, Sons of Night and Goodbye Agony. But Sons of Night is a really easy solo when you compare them to like Perfect Weapon and Rebel Love Song per se. So it's you take that little lick that I just showed. Then you want to slide down to the B string of the 8th fret. Then hit the 9G. Then 8B. Then slide 13B. So it's 13, 12, 10, 12, 10, 8. We've got 8, 7. Sorry. That was 9, sorry, 10, 8, 7, 9G. So 10, 8, 7B. 10, 8, 7B, and then 9G. And just going 7, 8, 7, 9, 7, 8, 7B, and then 9G again. Then we got this fast bit here, it's all on the E string, and it's all alternate picks. Sorry. So it's 17, 14, 15, 12, 14, 10, 12, then just hit that 14. And sorry, you go back down, you go 14, 12, 10, then back up 12, 14. So altogether. And we've got a sweep here. It's an arpeggio pattern, so it's just on the 15th, a G. Is it G minor pentatonic pattern? So, and it's a fast sweep too. No. So it's just 15A, 14D, 12G, 13B, 12E, 15E, then back down. Easier with the toggle switch up, I always say. So let's go from the that little lift. Then you just want to finish it on the 12th. So you're going down twice, sorry. Just finish on the 12th and we got. It's sort of alternate picking on the E string again. From the 15th, 15, 12, then 14, 12. Then slide up to the 14th fret as the root note, let's call it. And it's 17, 15. Then go to the 15th, and you want to be doing the same on the 19th and 17th. Then go back down to the 10th, and you want to be doing the same on the 14th and 12th. So that is just so you're going to be hitting, like, say, the 15th fret and the 17th fret 3 times each before they change up. And finish on the 14th, and you want to be going on the B string 15, 15, 17, 19. 15, 17, 19, then 19, 20, 22. And back down. So that was 20, 19, 17. And finish on the 15th. Then we've got 2 sweeps here. Arpeggio patterns in, I don't know what pattern, what scale, sorry. So it's just 17th fret. I think it's A, I'm not too sure. My theory is terrible. So it's 17A, 16D, 14G, 15B, 14E, then back down from the 17th. Then back down again. Hit the 17th and slide up to the 19th E. So that's the solo done. I'll try and play it fast for you. Well, not fast, but. Sorry. Kind of messed up at the end of that. The last bit threw me off. That last bit is actually done by ear, I forgot to mention. But it's kind of similar to what Jake plays. I don't know, yeah. Then you've just got the chorus, and it's actually just, you can hear CC playing on drums, like there's no obvious guitar parts, let's say. It's just CC on the drums, but there is palm muted guitars. You'll gradually build it up. And add a slide in there just to give it that proper Black Veil Brides effect, let's say. And then we've got the outro. It's just let's just finish it, excuse me, on the barred fret of the 4th, not the 4th, what? On the 1st. Now, yeah, for this song you've noticed there's a lot of pinch harmonics on the top string. If you are advanced on guitar, you'd know that there's different pinch harmonics played. Like say you're doing one on the third fret, there's about 7 that you can do. It all depends on where you pick and how you pick. If you want to get a really good pinch harmonic, I'd suggest these picks. There are the Dunlop picks, and this one's a 1.14mm. I'm a fan of Dunlop picks. Jim Dunlops, they're actually really good for pinch harmonics. I play a lot of metal, so I need it. But yeah, any picks will do. It's just these don't give these give good dexterity of harmonics, whereas others I used to use Don. So you can just loads. But yeah, that's just a bit of advice for you. But yeah, I hope that's helped. I don't think there's any other tutorials of this song on YouTube. When it first came out, I was like, oh my god, this is an amazing riff, I need to learn this. Back then I was terrible. But I haven't been looking recently because obviously I learnt the song. I watched a cover of it actually and just went from there. Sort of learning by watching someone else play it. Probably the best method to use because it sounded right. But I've sorted my own bits out for it. Probably like that. I didn't get the cover when he was playing the last bit of the solo. That's where I made it up by ear, kind of thing. But yeah, hopefully this helps you guys. Stick around for more tutorials. I post quite a few. I've got this is my 15th video and I've only been up since October maybe. Not too bad. But you can email me any song suggestions. I've always got my link in the not my link, sorry, my Twitter feed in the description, and I will always reply. And I will always try my best to learn the song, and give the best tutorial I can on it. So hopefully this helps. Hopefully my other tutorials can help you. I'm going to be doing theory based, solo based, and full song based like this one. So I'll catch you guys in the next video, and hit me up with those suggestions. I'll see you later.